Understanding Brainwave, a guide to English expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the phrase brainwave. This term is quite common in English conversations, and it's a fantastic expression to add to your vocabulary. So, let's dive right in and understand what brainwave really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, understanding these little phrases can make a big difference in sounding more like a native speaker. Brainwave is a noun, and it refers to a sudden clever idea. It's that light bulb moment when a great thought or solution to a problem suddenly comes to your mind. The word combines brain, which is the organ inside your head, and wave, which can give the sense of something suddenly happening or a surge of activity in the brain. When you have a brainwave, it's like your brain has suddenly created a big wave of smart thinking. Example 1. Imagine you've been trying to solve a difficult math problem for hours, and suddenly, you figure out how to do it. You can say, "I just had a brainwave." Here, brainwave means that you had a sudden great idea that helped you solve the problem. Example 2. Let's say you and your friends are trying to decide where to go on vacation, and no one can agree. Suddenly, you have a great suggestion. You can say, "I've had a brainwave. Let's go to the beach." In this case, brainwave refers to your sudden clever suggestion. Now that we know what brainwave means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. I was stuck on the project for weeks, but then I had a brainwave, and now I know exactly how to proceed. She had a real brainwave about how to organize the event, and it turned out to be a huge success. We were all out of ideas, and then John had a brainwave that solved our problem. In all these examples, brainwave is used to describe a sudden and clever idea that helps solve a problem or make a decision. There are several other words and phrases in English that have a similar meaning to brainwave. Here are a few. Eureka moment. This phrase comes from a famous story about the ancient Greek scientist Archimedes. It refers to a moment of sudden realization or discovery. Flash of inspiration. This means a short moment when you suddenly feel inspired or have a great idea. Light bulb moment. Similar to brainwave, this phrase describes a moment when a great idea suddenly comes to you, as if a light bulb has turned on in your head. Understanding these synonyms can help you express the idea of having a sudden clever idea in different ways. And that's everything you need to know about the phrase brainwave. We hope you've had your own brainwave during this video and that you now feel more confident using this expression in your conversations. Don't forget to practice, and soon, you'll find that these expressions come to you naturally. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!